The return of the beast. The legend. The machine that was once the pinnacle of creative power, then vanished into the shadows of the Mac Studio and the Mac Pro. We are talking about the Apple iMac Pro. For years, professional creators, architects, and power users in the United States and across the globe have been asking one simple question. Where is the all-in-one that can actually handle the future? Well, the wait is finally over. 2026 is the year Apple reclaims the desktop crown. If you've been holding on to your old Intel iMac Pro, or if you've been eyeing a studio display but wishing it just had the computer built in, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are diving deep into the 2026 iMac Pro, a machine so powerful it makes the original feel like a toy. Let's set the stage. The tech world has changed. We aren't just editing 4K video anymore. We are rendering 8K spatial video for the Vision Pro. We are training local large language models. We are building entire virtual worlds in Unreal Engine 5. And doing all of that on a laptop, even a MacBook Pro, comes with compromises. You want the screen real estate. You want the thermal headroom. You want the statement piece on your desk that says, "I am here to work." The new iMac Pro isn't just a computer, it's an architectural marvel for your workspace. The first thing that's going to stop you in your tracks is the display. This isn't just a bigger screen, it's a window into another dimension. We are looking at a 32-inch 6K mini LED promotion display. Think about that for a second. Deep, inky blacks that rival OLED, but with the searing brightness needed for true HDR workflows. 1600 nits of peak brightness. When you're color grading or working on high-end photography, every pixel matters. And with promotion, that 120 Hz refresh rate makes every scroll, every animation, and every brushstroke feel like liquid gold. This is the display that the Mac Studio users have been dreaming of, now integrated into a chassis that is impossibly thin. But what's under the hood? This is where things get aggressive. Apple isn't playing around with the Pro moniker this time. We are expecting the M5 Ultra chip to be the beating heart of this machine. We're talking about a unified memory architecture that can go up to 256 gigabytes. Imagine opening a 3D scene that would crash a standard computer, and this iMac Pro just smiles at you. The bandwidth is staggering. We are talking about 800 gigabytes per second of memory bandwidth. For the data scientists and the AI developers in the USA who are tired of cloud latency, having this kind of local power is a total paradigm shift. Now, let's talk about the design. The original iMac Pro was famous for that space gray finish. It looked mean. It looked professional. The 2026 version takes that DNA and evolves it. Rumors suggest a new obsidian black finish, a matte, deep, light-absorbing coat that makes the screen look like it's floating in midair. The thermal system has been completely reimagined. Instead of the loud fans of the Intel era, Apple has implemented a high-efficiency vapor chamber system. Even under full load, rendering a 3D animation, this machine stays whisper quiet. No more jet engine sounds in the middle of your Zoom calls or your podcast recordings. Speaking